Hi children, welcome back to your social science class. In the last class, we started block 1, changes in a family. And we discussed one topic, changes in gender roles. How does the role of men and women changed over a period of time? Yes, how it happened? Yes, in earlier, what was the duty of women? Yes, women were sitting at home and taking care of their children, cooking food. That was the job done by women. And what was the duty of men? Yes, men were going for job and earning money. It was the role of men and women earlier, and women did not have any right to take any decision at home. All the decisions are taken by men in the home, isn't it? Okay, then later some changes happened, right? How it changed children? Now we know both men and women are going for job, both are sharing the houseworks, and decisions also taken by both men and women. So we can find the change, right? The role of men and women changed over a period of time. In today's class, we are going to discuss wedding in a family. What are the changes will come after wedding in a family? Okay. So let's see children, what are the changes will happen after wedding or marriage happened in our family? What change will be there? Yes, very good. One member is added in the family. Okay, one member will add in the family. One member will add in the family. Okay, so that is the one change we can find. After a marriage, we can find changes in the family. So, what is the first change we can say? Yes, one new member will come to our home, isn't it? One new member will come to our home. That means one member will add in the family. Okay, that we can say one member add in the family. In whose family one member will add, children? Yes, groom's family. Groom's family, one member will add. In the case of bride, what will be the case of bride? In the case of bride, one member will leave from the family, right? One member will be less in the family in the case of bride. Okay, so how is the change in a family after a marriage? Yes, one member will add in the family or leave the family, we can say, or leave the family. Okay. Then, what is the next change we can see after a marriage? Your uncle is married and he will come to your home. That auntie will help your mother in all housework, right? So we can say housework can be shared. Work can be shared, isn't it? So all the housework at home will be shared by the new member. So your mother will get a relaxation, right? Your mother no need to do more job because she also will share the job. Okay. So housework can be shared. Okay. Then what is the next change we can see? Yes, after the marriage we can see that two families come together. Two families come together. Okay, two families come together. Come together. That is the come together. That is the another change we can find after a marriage. So we know two families means if your uncle is married, your uncle's family and auntie's family will come together, isn't it? They will celebrate the festivals each other. So that are the changes we can find after a marriage at home or wedding in a family. Make some changes. Okay, so what are the changes? One member will add in the family, or you can say new member will come our home, isn't it? So in one member, new member will be added in the family or leave the family. One member leave the family. Okay, in the case of groom, one member will be added in the family, and in the case of bride, one member leave the home. Okay, so you know your uncle and auntie's marriage is over. Uncle's family, one member will increase. Who is that? Auntie. But in the case of auntie's family, one person will be less. isn't it? She come to your home. So her family, one member will leave the family. Okay. So one person will leave the family or one person will add in the family. That is the change happened after the marriage. Okay. Then second change we can find that housework or the housework can be shared between the members. Okay. The next change we can find that two families come together and they celebrate festivals each other. So that are the some changes we can see after a marriage. In the same way we can find the changes will happen after the death of a person. If a person die in your family, what change will be there, children? Yes, one member will reduce in the family, isn't it? One member leave the family. And we know after the birth of a child, what change will be there? Yes, one more member will be added in the family. And we know after a marriage there will be more responsibilities, isn't it? More responsibilities of groom and bride will increase. Groom also increase the responsibility and bride also have to do so many responsibilities. So the responsibilities also increases. Okay. Now everybody take your workbook, children. Yes. Page number 10. Wedding in a family. Page number 10. Wedding in a family. Write date at first. So now I am going to read one story. Everybody listen carefully. Okay. Kebir lives in a joint family. So Kebir is a small boy. He lives in a joint family. We know what is joint family. More members will be there in the joint family. Father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, cousins, uncles all live together in a family that is called joint family. Okay. Then his uncle Sunil, father's young brother. So his father's young brother is Sunil, his uncle. Okay. Got married last year. So he got married last year. After the wedding, the bride came home to live with them. So we know after the marriage, bride come to their home for live with them. Kabir had to give up his playroom as it was changed into his uncle and auntie's bedroom. So what is the change happened here? Yes, Kabir had to give up his playroom. He need to give to his uncle and aunties as their bedroom. Kabir did not mind because he really liked Priya auntie. Kabir did not mind it. Why? Because he really liked Priya auntie. Every day he waits for his auntie to come back home from office. So his auntie is working in office. So every day he waits his auntie to come back home from the office because she plays badminton with him. So she is always playing badminton with him and he helps him with his maths homework. She is very helpful. She is always helping him in his maths homework too. So he liked this auntie very much. Okay. After that, she prepares dinner with the help of his mother. You see, children, not only she is playing badminton and helping him in his homework, but some other works also she is doing. Yes, she is always helping his mother in cooking. Okay, cooking dinner. Kabir has become good friends with Priya auntie's niece. Then Priya auntie has one niece. What is the name of niece? Neha. Then who is also his age. This niece also his age. So two families now celebrate festivals together. So see, children, this Neha also his age. So he can play with this Neha, right? And we know two families now celebrating these festivals together. So I already told after the marriage, two families come together. So they will celebrate festivals also, right? Okay, so what is the first question, children? How has Priya brought a change in Kabir's family? Yes, how Priya brought a change in Kabir's family? Priya shares the household work. Okay, so that is the one change. Then we can see that Priya auntie is always helping him for doing homework, and she is also playing badminton with him. So that all are the changes happened in Kebir's family. Okay, so what are the answers we can give? Yes, Priya shares household works at home. Then she is always playing badminton with Kebir and also helping him in doing homeworks. Okay. The next question. What kind of changes happened in your family after someone got married? After my uncle's marriage, one new member added in my family, and she also shares houseworks in my home. She also helping my mother in cooking. Like that way all you can write. What should we do to adjust if a new person becomes part of family after getting married? Yes. What adjustment we have to do, children? Yes, we must be ready to do extra works and responsibilities. So we should be ready to do extra works and responsibilities. Okay, so like this way we have to do the workbook. Okay, now see, children, everybody need to take your textbook practice question. Okay, so first practice question. What is the first practice question? Which of these statement does not show a change in Arjun's family? Right, change in family or no change in family. Okay, so first question is, Arjun's mother has come home with his baby sister. Yes, a new member added, right? So there is change in family. So you can write the change in family. Next, Arjun's grandfather passed away last year. Yes, change in family. How it change? There will be change. One member leave the family. One member reduced. So there is a change in family. Okay. Next, Arjun's parents have bought him a new bicycle. Any change will be there? No change. New bicycle, then what change will be there? No change will be there. Okay, so you can write no change. Arjun's uncle is getting married. Any change will be there? Yes, change will be there because one member will be added in the family. Okay. Then second question is, how does a wedding bring about change in a family? How does wedding brought about change in a family? Yes, after wedding, one person or one member will be added in the family. Okay, that is the one point you can write. Then what is the another point? Houseworks in the family can be shared. Okay, second point you can give. Then one more point you can give. Two families come together. After the marriage, two families come together. So these are the practice questions you have to do for 1 and 2. Okay. So I hope everybody understood today's class. Okay. So we will meet in the next class.